channel after a long break. I'm finally back. I took a whole month off of YouTube just to, as you guys know if you follow me on Instagram, I had my baby about 3 weeks ago, and so I kind of took that time just to relax my last week of pregnancy, and then also just to spend it with her. She was born December 21st of 2021, and so we just been really just enjoying her and relaxing. And yeah, but now I am back. I wanted to start off by filming her nursery tour since I hadn't had the time to do so before. I kind of finished her room very last minute. I didn't expect her to come that early, and so I was kind of like just procrastinating. And so yeah, I feel like I finished her room 2 weeks before she came, so very last minute. I still have not finished organizing her closet or anything like I want it to be. Everything's put away, but it's not as organized as I would want it to be, so that's gonna come. I'm still gonna show you guys what I have and everything. But yeah, before we begin, I do want to give a shout out to today's partner, which is Trendola Jewelry. They actually sent over this beautiful white gold bracelet and this really cute ring. I don't know if you guys can see. I do have a discount code, and I will be adding that to the description, as well as the links to these two pieces, which I think are such a good like set to gift to a girlfriend, your wife, fiance, or even like, I feel like this can also be unisex, so for your partner, for your husband or boyfriend, and for Valentine's coming up. So do be sure to check them out. I think they're really good quality. I've been wearing them ever since I had the baby, and sometimes I even shower with them, and they have lasted and they look so pretty on. Definitely my style. It's very minimal and I love it so much. This one is a little bit big. I am going to have to probably resize it, but I do think that it's really pretty. Like I said, my style. So I'm going to be linking both of these pieces down below. Thank you, Trendola, once again. Don't forget to check them out just in time for Valentine's Day. Alright, you guys, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys the nursery tour. So the vibe in here that I wanted was very neutral colors, and also just a little bit of hints of pink. I didn't want everything to be super pink or super matchy. I have a lot of neutrals, like I said, and a lot of pieces that I feel we will be able to transition to when she becomes a little bigger. I also wanted to keep everything very minimal. I didn't want too many things. I didn't want too much clutter. I just wanted everything to just kind of be a space where I can just come and, you know, relax and not feel overwhelmed by too many things. I also did want to point out that everything here is very budget friendly. I didn't want to spend too much money. Like I said, baby stuff, you know, she's going to grow out of eventually anyways, and I feel like I'm just gonna be switching things out as she grows up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for this little corner in the room, I wanted to keep it very simple. This is just her dresser and her little changing area. The dresser I actually found at IKEA. I had not seen it before. I feel like I've seen it's like a very similar one like this, like in the white, and I didn't really want too much white because the walls are already white, and so I thought this one was a really good just neutral piece. We actually purchased this a while back, but like I said, we didn't end up building it till 2 weeks before. And I really like it. It has the black knobs. I thought about changing them out, but with everything else being, you know, having like little black accents here and there, I just ended up leaving them, and they look cute. I also have her little changing station, her little like diapers and wipes area here. I also have her little lotion and everything. This little basket I got at Target. I thought it was a really cute light pop of pink. It wasn't going to be like a dramatic pop. Then I have this little changing station here where I change your diaper or her clothing. And this little basket I actually got from my registry. I can't remember exactly where from, but I will link it down below. And I believe it was like $75 or so. The inside is like this little memory foam, so it's really soft for the baby. And then this, of course, so she doesn't fall out or anything. And I like, once again, that it's a neutral vibe, and it has like this little texture, so it kind of matches the dresser, but not too much. Like, it kind of just is a nice contrast. And then this mirror I got at HomeGoods. I didn't really know what to put on top of the dresser, but I knew I wanted a mirror. I just didn't know if I wanted a square or a circle. But I eventually found this one, like I said, from HomeGoods, and I really like it here. I think it looks really nice, and it kind of opens everything up. And then when you walk in, it's the first thing you see. You see your reflection, and you also see sometimes the other little mirrors that are across from the wall. So I kind of like that. And then over here, we actually just installed these because I could not find any shelves that I liked, and I wanted something very small because we are planning on putting her TV up here, so I didn't want anything too big. I have two larger ones in Camila's room, and we thought about getting the same ones, but they were just going to be way too big. So I ended up finding these at HomeGoods, and these two for the pair, I believe it was like 20 bucks. So very affordable. They also had them in like a light gray, but I don't have anything gray in here, so I just went with the white ones. And then we just put like her little books up here. I ended up putting, I don't know what this is, a llama? No, maybe a sheep or a llama. I got this one at HomeGoods too, and I thought it was really cute. And then over here she has her little jewelry holder with her little necklace that her Tia Liz got her. And over here on the side is her little diaper dispenser, which is nice and hidden over here. I didn't really want it to be in the way, and it actually fit perfectly right here in on the side, next to the diaper and her little changing station. So it turned out pretty good. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys inside her dresser a little bit. So inside I have these little dividers. I think I got these on Amazon as well from my registry. And then right here I just have her little bows, and then in this one I have like her little hats and stuff like that. Nice and organized, and I can just pull whichever one I need. In this one we have some more bows, but this is a different organizer. It has a little bit more compartments in it. And then I have another one for her sock drawer as well. So I just wanted everything kind of organized in here. And this other one I have like her little binky holders, like the little clips that you put in her clothing. And then in this one I have all of her burp cloths and what are they called? I think it's a can't remember what these are called, but yeah, I have these. And just like her little binkies over here and her toys. So everything I just really wanted kind of organized. And then that's mostly what I have in here, like socks and stuff like that. And then in her closet is where I have all her little clothing hung, which I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, and then on this little corner, this is like the little reading station. I thought about putting the shelves on this side, but if you guys see the whole room, there's two other frames over here that had already placed before I got the shelves. And I kind of regret it because I really wanted the shelves here just to kind of have this as a reading station. But yeah, we ended up putting the shelves over on that side. But anyways, I love this chair. I was obsessed when I saw it actually on Amazon. I first had a much bulkier chair, and then whenever I saw this one, I was like, okay, this one really matches my whole vibe. Like I said, I wanted something very minimal and just things that were going to make the room feel a little bit bigger. And so I wanted something much more daintier, and I also just really love the materials, like this Sherpa, white Sherpa material. So I really like that. It came also with this little pillow, so I didn't have to buy a pillow for that. And then the legs are like this dark wood material, and then it also has the black, so it just ties everything with the black and white together. And just the texture is what I really liked. As far as the windows, I have these long pink, it's like an almost velvet material, and I got them at IKEA, and I was obsessed. I didn't know I wanted some color in the drapes, but when I saw this color, I felt like it matched all the other little accents really well. As you guys can see, I have a little bit more like of a mauve pink, and this one was really nice. I got it, I just really like the material actually. It's like a velvety soft material, and they're also very thick and dark to kind of just shut out the light from the outside. So you could close it all the way, but I kind of like it like this. And then over on this side, I ended up finding this lamp. You guys, I could not find any lamps that I really liked. I feel like they had a lot at Home Goods and Target, but they were all so large and bulky, and that's something that I didn't really want. Because the chair is already so small and dainty, I really wanted something very minimal. So I found this one at IKEA, I believe, for $7. It's a really flimsy lamp, but for now it will do. I still am on the hunt for a better lamp, and I'm also on the hunt for like a little black side table. But yeah, I haven't found one, and this one for $7, it was a steal, so I had to get it. All right, and then on this wall, I ended up putting her crib. This crib was also a registry gift, so my sister ended up purchasing this for us. I think it transforms into like a toddler bed and stuff like that. She doesn't sleep in here yet because she is still so small, so I have her over in her bassinet in my room. But eventually, like in the next few months, I do plan on moving her to her room. This little blanket was actually one of my favorite baby shower gifts because it does have her name engraved in it. And not only that, but it's like the exact colors of her room. And this one was gifted by some of our friends, Caesar and Jeanette. I love it so much. It's super cozy. And then it has this little texture here on the white side, and then the inside of course matches her room, and then her name, Milena Rios, which I thought was a really nice touch. And I also ended up buying this one. I don't have it in her crib, but I thought it was a good like accent piece. And this one I actually bought at IKEA, and I believe it was only like $20. But it's a really nice material, and it's the exact color that I wanted. And yeah. And then these little rugs, this white one is actually super soft, like really soft. This one I got at Home Goods. It was like $80, but it's a really nice material. And then this mauve pink one is just a little circle like play area rugs, and I stacked it on top of the white one just to kind of have a little contrast. And this one I also got at Home Goods as well, and this one was around $30. So yeah, but I really like it. I think the white one, I kind of feel like it's a good size. I didn't want something too large in here, and I just really like the material. It's really soft. All right, and then lastly on this little corner, I ended up placing 2 little frames. These little frames I got at IKEA, I believe. No, I got them at Home Goods. They were really inexpensive. I didn't know what to put in it. For now, I put one of her little ultrasound pics. I do plan on switching that one out though. And then I actually had Camila write her little sister a little note, and I thought that was really cute. So I might leave that one and just switch out this one because I need to put something else in there. I have her little camera right here. And then down here at the bottom, I have her little laundry basket. This one I got at Home Goods. And then this other basket I also got at Home Goods. And I wanted 2 different baskets, and I like how they look together. But this one holds her toys, and then this one, like I said, is just for her laundry, which I need to get to as well. But yeah, this one just has some books, some toys for when she gets a little older, and she has some more toys down here at the bottom. So as you can see, not everything is organized. I actually, for her little clothes, I wanted to have everything from like newborn on. I kind of did that, but not really. So I just kind of have to organize that. I have some extra hangers right here, and then this is all like diapers, wipes. Everything is so unorganized. Those are some little outfits that I still need to hang up. I have her little swaddles here, some more washcloths and burp cloths here, more diapers, and then just a few other gifts that they gave us from the baby shower and stuff like that. So yeah, not everything is super organized, but it will do for now. And then her TV's back there, which we need to hang up. So yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really am happy to be back, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below which kind of videos you guys would like to see for the new year. I'm definitely gonna be coming back with more style videos and fashion videos, which I'm excited about. Don't forget to check out Trendola for your Valentine's Day gifts. Valentine's Day is coming up, so do be sure to check them out. They have lots of other cute jewelry on the website as well. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I love you guys, and see you guys next time I upload.